Hey tribe, it's your girl, Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen. And guess what? Today, we're gonna talk about choosing the best fabrics for your backdrop swags. And believe me when I say that this is a game changer, guys. From silky satins to lush velvets, I'll show you what works best for every kind of event. So let's not waste another minute and roll the intro. Okay, so let's talk about choosing the best fabrics for your backdrop swags. This is where you really can get creative, guys, and make a statement. Starting with lycra or spandex, these are like the hidden gems of the backdrop fabrics. They really drape so beautifully and they're nearly wrinkle-free. Not to mention they add the touch of class that you're looking for. This is the perfect fabric if you're looking to leave your client speechless. Now for a luxurious feel, fabric like crushed velvet is where it's at. It got texture, depth, and it screams premium. Plus it lets you add a little extra to your pricing and your clients will see why. Now for something more practical, guys, we got some stiff blends like polyester, taffeta, and voile. So these blends are perfect for a corporate or a minimalistic feel. These will not give you the deep swags, but they work great as backdrop fillers. Just be sure to add them in zone 1 of your backdrop. Now, if you're not sure what zone 1 is, guess what? It's time for you to check out our next Draping Masterclass tour so you learn all there is to know about premium draping. Because the things I share here on YouTube, they're just the tip of the iceberg. So guys, whether you're going for dreamy, luxurious, or practical, there's a fabric out there for every backdrop swag. Play around with these options and you'll see how they can elevate your designs. So that wraps up our talk on best fabrics for your backdrop swags. If you're ready to get your hands on some of these fabrics, don't forget to hit up our store. All the links are down in the description. Now, if you love some of the tips I shared with you in this video, then show your girl some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel for more premium draping content. And you know the drill, guys. Stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. Guess what? I'll see you guys in the next one.
She said right.
This is lycra.
This is what I did.
This the only velvet one right here. Roll that beautiful beam footage. I'll see you guys in the next one. Boom!
All right, let's get it. There we go. That was good.
Oh, there is a God.